Welcome to Navadisha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down Agentic RAG, an essential RAG concept. So, what is Agentic RAG? Agentic RAG uses an AI agent that decides when and how to retrieve information dynamically. This is one of the core ideas in RAG that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about Agentic RAG. Point 1. The agent reasons about whether retrieval is needed and which tool or query to use. Point 2. It can perform multi-hop retrieval, reformulate questions, or switch strategies mid-task. Point 3. Common patterns include react, plan and execute, and self-reflective agents. Point 4. Agentic RAG handles complex, open-ended, or multi-step questions better than static RAG. Point 5. It often uses function calling/tool use to orchestrate retrieval steps. And that is Agentic RAG explained. Subscribe to Navadisha for a new RAG concept every single day. See you tomorrow.